Fucking hell, man. Okay, FILE896. This function here, we have made these slight changes here. They don't affect the code in any way. In slow copy disk to GPU, this is the function we're working on. We have the disk memory and GPU memory. This is the first byte of the pixel we're interested in. This is the bit selection, the bit subslice of the pixels that we're interested in. The disk memory and GPU memory get shorthand variables here. We're going to create 32-bit pixels for disk memory and 32-bit pixel for GPU memory. And this is going to be a composite that represents smashing bits from here into here. Okay, the basic math is kind of expressed in this diagram here. We're going to carve out a hole in the destination memory and then drop bits from the source memory into the hole that we created to create a final composite B32. Okay, here's the keep mask. Here is the delete mask. They are both created with the correct selections of bits for the respective memory chunks. Then we're going to create our composite pixel here. We need to know how much we need to shift the source memory by before we can drop it into place. We're going to check our math here, and then if we're shifting by a positive amount, we shift to the right with that positive amount so that we can drop these bits into place within these bits here. If the shift amount is negative, then we're going to do this, right? We're going to make the shift amount positive, shift in the other direction, and then take the kept bits and drop them into place within the hole that we created in the GPU bits using the GPU delete mask. Once we have all of our bits into place, we just got to smash them together with a bitwise OR, shift to the right so it's interpreted as unsigned logic, and then we need to unpack the bytes from this value. So we're going to shift by 24, 16, 8, and 0 respectively, mask it with 255, and then load it into the correct slot. So this is the index of the red byte. So this is red, green, blue, and alpha bytes, and now we've loaded our modified pixel into the GPU memory. If you want a longer explanation, you're going to have to go to a different video because you are on the advanced playlist here. Longer explanation is here if you're interested. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I'm Kanji Coder.